Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about DDL commands in SQL. DDL stands for Data Definition Language. It only works in the structure of the table, and there are 4 types of DDL commands. First, let's connect to the database and then we will get started. Let's zoom it so that you can see it clearly. Syntax for create is create table name and then in parenthesis column name and its data type and end it with semicolon. Let's create one table named as student with columns ID, name and age. Now the second DDL command is truncate, that will delete the records in the table, but the structure of the table will remain the same. To use truncate command, first we need to insert some records in the table using insert into command. Here we inserted 3 records in the table. Now we are ready to use the truncate command. The syntax for truncate is truncate table name and end with the semicolon. You can check if the truncation using select command. Here you will see no rows selected because all the records is deleted from the table. Here you will see the records are deleted, but the structure of the table means the columns are not deleted, as I said in the definition of truncate. Now let's see the third type of DDL command, that is alter. Alter has 3 types of modifications, and alter is used to do the changes in the table. The first modification is add column, which is used to add a column in the table, and the syntax for add column is alter table name add column name data type semicolon. Here we are adding address column with data type as varchar because address can contain numbers as well as alphabets. We can see the changes using desc command. Here you can see both the desc output. Before, the address column was not there in the table, but after alteration address is added in the table. This alter command is used to change the data type of column which are previously added in the table.
Syntax is alter table name modify column name new data type semicolon.
Let's just modify the address column of the table. We will change it to the char data type. Now let's see the changes in the table. You can see it is changed. Now the last modification in the alter is remove column. Syntax is as follows. Alter table name drop column name. Now the last type of DDL command is drop, which is used to delete the table from the database permanently, and the syntax for drop is drop table name semicolon. Let's just do it practically in SQL. You can see the error as object does not exist because the table is deleted permanently.